from above.
Hello, brothers and their sisters. How are you doing? Doing this after a long time, but no worries. Yeah, this is the long-awaited tutorial for the Rel Change, and yeah, something happened to my accent. Yeah, that's what happened when you work in a call center for 2.5 years. Anyways, I don't want to talk about myself. But कैसे चल रहा है? क्या हाल है? बच्चे बच्चे ठीक है? No, I do want to talk about some things. Uh, I am gonna make more videos now because I have nothing else to do. I mean, I do have to do my job, but I'm gonna do this just for fun. Again. Yeah, I might have bought a guitar to impress Bachiya, but that didn't work out. So I'm doing magic again. Who the fuck is that? I haven't seen anybody do it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I have seen Noel Heath do it, and I had to came up with my own version that I didn't learn from him. It was just something that I came up on my own. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to. So today I'm gonna be. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to do that. Let's go. So it's gonna be fairly simple. By the way, दीवार अगली वीडियो में मैंने कहा था मैं साफ कर दूंगा. So it's clean as fuck now. Anyways, the cards that I'm gonna be using are gonna be Memento Mori by Chris Ramsey, the man, the myth, the legend himself. Let me just try to show you off by doing water bend. Yeah, I can do water bend. Your girl is mine now. And you're gay now. I haven't done it in person. शायद तुम लोग कर सको. I have no idea if you can do it on person. Yeah, you really gotta work with your angles. It's 2 cards. You're gonna be lifting them over. Let me just try to lift over by doing them myself. Pinky count. You can चुक दियो फड़ के भावे 2 card. Totally up to you. Just do what you gotta do and count 2 cards like this. And then you're gonna lift them up as 1, okay? And then you're gonna grab these from the short ends. You're gonna be grabbing this card from thumb to thumb, and then you're gonna rotate. Now, let me tell you what you're gonna do secretly. You're gonna grip them up by your pinky's first knuckle and your middle finger's first knuckle, like this, okay? These are 2 cards, by the way, okay? Oh. Do you know I have this weird fucking accent thing? Hi, my name is Hassan Khan. I work here and there as well, so it's annoying, but you gotta work with it, okay? So like I said, you gotta pinky count 2 cards, lift them up as 1. Fuck, I couldn't do that as well. I'm picking up cards after a long time, forgive me. Then grab them by the short ends. Then you're gonna grab them like this, and you're gonna secretly scrape off this bitch, like the card underneath, and then you're gonna rotate the utte card, okay? Now you're in this weird position. You can let go, but make sure that you do not flash like this or this or this, okay? Close your fingers, make sure your angles are good, and then you're gonna put the card right here, right here. Non-pip corner का थोड़ा सा ख्याल रखते हुए you gotta do this. It's perfect, okay? Now you gotta practice that because it builds up with your muscle memory. खुद ही हो जाता है. थोड़ी देर के बाद जब करोगे ना खुद ही हो जाएगा. But I'm gonna show you this with another angle. Do whatever the routine that you're doing, okay? Then you're gonna pinky count 2, 1, 2. Okay, then you're gonna grab them up like this, okay, and then you can do this, steal the card underneath, square up, put right here. Now you gotta square them up like this. You're making the thumb as a pivot point and you're pushing like you're doing a snap. Yeah, it's kind of snapping motion, but it isn't because you're doing it silently, if that makes sense. We're back doing it again. Practice it with me. Grab a deck of cards or grab your deck instead. I don't care. I'm not gay. I swear I'm not gay. Okay, Then you're gonna pinky count, lift them up, steal the bottom card, make sure of your angles, switch. Now a few tips जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा help करती हैं. The one is that you can like turn side to side. This, I know it sounds kinda stupid, but it does work. I'll let you know कैसे. Let's suppose you're doing this from here. You're gonna do this, then you're gonna do this, okay? Now they're gonna see the whole shit going on. Now when you're gonna steal the card underneath, turn around so it doesn't look suspicious. And now when you're gonna turn here, just do this. And it's a distraction, but it works out very well. एक और चीज़ बताता हूँ एंगल सही करने के लिए. I heard it from I think Xavier Spade. Imagine there's laser coming out of these short ends. Okay, imagine lasers are coming out. You're gonna make sure that the laser don't hit their eye, and you're gonna be good. Don't do this. Don't do this. Just perfect. I know, practice in front of a mirror, in front of a camera. Practice wherever you want, just don't in the bathroom or whatever. I'm not gay, I swear I'm not gay. And again, I'll do this one last time. You're gonna do the pinky count, pick up 2 cards as one, like this, scrape the card underneath, square up, pluck. I don't know why I said pluck, but it fits. And then you're gonna square up with whichever method that you like. So anyways, that's it. I know this tutorial was supposed to come out 2 years ago, the long awaited one, but I don't know what to say. I'm depressed. Leave me alone. Damn, it feels good to be back. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for not giving a shit. Thank you so much for being here. And thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like this. And yes, I'm gonna be active from now on. I'll try to be. I'll try not to ghost you guys for another 2 years. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. Nah, I don't know. I don't know. If you're still here, thank you so much. I love you. I wanna kiss you so bad. That's what she said. Jokes. Thank you so much for sticking around. I love you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Enchanté.